Hi everyone, today we will explore how you can facilitate the integration between Zendesk and Jira seamlessly using IntegrateCloud app. Here you have two options, either create a new Jira issue right from the Zendesk ticket, or link the ticket to an existing one. To create a new Jira issue from Zendesk, click Create Issue. Here you will need to select Jira instance, project name, and choose a type of issue you want to create. It can be improvement, task, new feature, bug, and many more. Let's pick the bug item and click Next. Here you will need to fill in the main information, such as assignee and reporter names, set priority, choose due date, add summary and description of the issue, and in addition here you can fill in the custom fields. And after that, click Create Issue. Now we can see that the issue has been created. To access a new issue directly from the Zendesk ticket, just navigate to the connector. Here you will see that the ticket tags and comments were also updated. The Notify feature allows you to add comments to the issue directly. Just add your comments, upload files if needed, and click Notify Issue. By clicking on the Comments button, you can see comments added to the issue. Just don't forget to refresh the tab. From Zendesk, you can also navigate to the issue itself in Jira by clicking on the name of the item in the connector. And finally, the item can be unlinked from the ticket after the click on the cross sign. Linking the ticket to the created issue is also super straightforward. You will just need to simply click on the link button and enter Jira issue key, and the ticket will be linked to it. As simple as that. To learn more, check out more videos on this channel. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support at support@integratecloud.com or visit our help center at support.integratecloud.com.